You say you're fine.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing 3 different Farmhouse Decor items. Feel really good about these. I don't know why, but they turned out exactly how I wanted them to. They're super simple and easy, and that's what I like. Super simple, super easy. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys what I made, show how I did it, and I hope you guys recreate these. And if you do, I keep forgetting to tell everybody on every single video, follow me on Instagram if you guys have Instagram. Here's my Instagram. It's KristenK305. That's it. Follow me on Instagram. I don't like to post on there a whole lot. I don't make videos on there a whole lot, but I like posting pictures of my kids and stuff. And like, sometimes I post things that I do on YouTube. I don't know, but anyways, there's that for you. I'll leave it there, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Let's get started. So the first DIY, you will just need 4 of these canvases. I have a lot. I plan on doing more, but they were super hard to tear apart, and the wood is not super durable like the other type of canvases that you can get from the Dollar Tree. So you can use these. I liked them because they were super square, and then I just took some wood glue and just brushed it on one side and just glued 2 at a time together to make a window. And I know this has been done probably a million times with picture frames and things like that, but I like that it is like a perfect square. So the canvases and this wood are super, super bendy. So I held it for quite a while, and then after that, I just took popsicle sticks and hot glued the backs so they would.
But I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
And then I just grabbed some spackle, and there was quite a few gaps in between here, and this worked really good. I know this probably wasn't something that is normally used, I guess, but I probably could have got some wood filler, but this is what I had on hand, so I just chose this, and I'm going to tell you, it worked really, really good. So I just took my finger and just scraped it in between the cracks, and it turned out really good. And then I'm just going to take the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I am just going to paint the whole entire thing. I only did 1 coat of this. You could definitely distress it or do whatever you'd like with it. Paint it a different color, stain it. I just chose to do Waverly chalk paint in white because that is what I like, and this is exactly what I wanted for one of my walls in my house. And then I just grabbed this command hook from the Dollar Tree. This is the Dollar Tree brand. And then I'm just adding this wreath I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99, and I used a 40% off coupon. And this is why I wanted a window, was for that wreath specifically. And then I just had these vases from my daughter's birthday party recently. These were from the Dollar Tree. The little cotton stems were from the Dollar Tree this fall. And then I just cut them down with some eucalyptus and threw it in that vase. And then now I'm just grabbing 2 of these houses from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint the sides and the insides black.
'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
And then I just printed this pig and this cow photo. These are free printables. I will leave those links in the description box below for you. And then I just took some Mod Podge and I cut the pictures down to size for these little houses, and then I just, like I said, Mod Podge them and put them right into these little houses. I love this. I actually seen something like this in the LTD Commodities or whatever it's called, that magazine. It's not super similar, but it is sort of like that, and that is kind of where I got the idea from. I thought these were so stinking cute, and then I'm doing the same thing for the other house.
We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
And then I thought these looked too plain black, so I just went back with my Waverly chalk paint in white and just kind of did a dry brush along the sides, the edges, and the inside as well. And I love how this turned out. I am, seriously, these are probably one of my favorite DIYs I have ever made. I love the pigs, I love the cows, I love all kinds of farm animals, but I thought these pictures were just so stinking cute.
'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. I did run out of time. Faced with your advice to get back in line. I struggled to suffice, weighed down by all your pride. Had to break my stride and get back on.
Alright, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these very inexpensive DIYs from the Dollar Tree. They are super farmhouse, and I know that you could definitely pick up probably some of these like from Hobby Lobby for a lot more money, but I am seriously super happy with the way everything turned out. But if you guys liked this video and you're not already subscribed, I would love if you consider subscribing. The button is down below. All you have to do is push it. And you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
My feet.